This toadstool video is divided into 3 parts. How to draw a toadstool, how to paint it with watercolors, and then how to put it all together in art journal page. We now show you how to create an art journal based on previous episodes. How to draw a toadstool, how to paint one, and now how to create a page in art journal from these elements. We begin to create a background using alcohol inks. We first choose a color game that we are faithful to. I put on yellow, brown, and a touch of green. Inks intermingle with each other, but we also help them, pouring them. Around the work I create a frame. I let the ink spill freely. Now, using acrylic pens, I create my favorite designs on the page. And I create an additional border for the work. A video on drawing a toadstool can be found in part number 1. A video on painting a toadstool can be found in part number 2. Now we cut out our watercolor of a toadstool. We pay attention to the composition of the picture. And glue the picture to the ground. Paint shadows of mushrooms, grass. You can use anything you have: crayons, markers, watercolors. Add your favorite details with a black thin pen. Welcome to the next art journal video soon. Yours, Agnes.